Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can capitalize all the tags in Google Sheets. So I'm going to show you three ways that you can use as per your requirement. So let's start with the video guys, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Sheet, and you can see we have here example here. Okay, so I have all text in small letters, so I will show you one by one. Okay, so first if you want to make upper, then just hit that equal sign, then type the upper. Okay, click that upper formula, click that cell where you have the tags. Now close the bracket and just hit the enter, then the all text will be you know the upper size, capitalize. Okay, so next option you can use if you want to make only the first letter capitalize and rest of the lower size, then you can make it. So you can use formula for this option is proper. Okay, just hit the equal sign, then type the proper, select that, hit the tab, then select the cell where you have text, then close the bracket. Now you can see the first letter only converted in capitalized and rest of small. Okay, now if you want to make all text in lower, then just start the formula and type the lower, select that cell, bracket close, then you can see all text converted in lower size. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.